Hey everyone, check out the modern mixology cocktail shaker set, an 8-piece bartender kit with a sleek pine stand. This complete set includes an 18-ounce stainless steel shaker, double-sided jigger, Hawthorne strainer, bottle opener, mixing spoon, ice tongs, and recipe cards. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel, these tools offer durability and timeless style, perfect for home bartenders and professionals alike. The stylish wooden stand keeps everything organized and adds elegance to your home bar setup. Whether you're building your first bar or upgrading, this set helps you mix drinks like a pro. It also makes a fantastic gift for cocktail lovers at any celebration or party. With dishwasher-safe tools, cleanup is simple, so you can focus on enjoying your signature cocktails. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.